change your food, change your life. Hey guys, Tim here with Next Level Health coming at you from the kitchen. Guys, as you know on this channel, I always talk about how I have 1 pound of ground beef every single day. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I usually eat it in the way I'm gonna show you on screen. I'll show you how I normally eat it. I normally cook it in a burger style with some eggs, some salsa, some raw honey. But I've been getting pretty tired of that. So I am now looking at different ways to cook my ground beef because I want to continue to have ground beef as my main protein that I'm having every single day. But I know that variety is needed to sustain this type of thing. So I'm going to be showing off some different ways that I am cooking my ground beef to add some variety, some flavor, some difference. I'm adding some other things to it because I want to make it sustainable. Because guys, the word sustainable is one of the main words I use on my channel because sustainability is key when it comes to making these kind of changes in your life. You have to start small, baby steps, sustainable swaps, and work your way to where you want to be. And then you have to make that sustainable too. And one of the ways you make things sustainable is through variety. So I want to show you guys just to give you an idea of a meal that you could try that looks pretty freaking delicious and I'm about to have right now. Now this, I am making some health sacrifices here with what I'm adding to it. But again, for the sustainability, I am going to be doing this every now and then. So here's what I got right here. I basically made loaded nachos here. I've got the 1 pound of ground beef cooked in some butter. We've got tomatoes, we've got sour cream and salsa loaded on top. So pretty much great ingredients other than the chips, because the chips do contain vegetable oils in pretty high quantities. So this is not something I'm gonna be doing every day. I would not eat chips like that every day. Way too much vegetable oil. And very high in omega-6, very inflammatory. But hey, maybe once a week, maybe twice a week when I know I'm struggling and I know I need that variety and that difference, that is when I'm gonna incorporate it because we as people, we just need that variety every now and then to kind of like, that now when I go back to my burgers, I'll be a little more like, oh yeah, I'm like ready to have my burgers again because I've had something different. So guys, as always, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you get more of my content. And guys, as always, eat real, and I'll see you on the next one.